Welcome back to another episode here on the Richter Show. Today we are in Kyiv, the capital of Ukraine. Now let's go explore the city, see some museums, walk around, talk a little bit about the place. I am here technically during the wartime, so it is going to be different by the time this videos come out. So this is actually a good view from above. Normally it would just be this here, but since the war, they've added a lot of other stuff around it, which talk pretty much about the war. And I'm gonna go down there and show it to you in a second. It is a really nice view. This is an interesting place to look at and read of all the people that fought for their country, fought for their cause. Some of these are newer than others in 2022, 23, 2024. I mean, the list is just it's too long. I mean, you can't put every individual here, but this just gives you a glimpse of what the war is actually like. I'm actually surprised they haven't really fully sealed and protected this. Hopefully nothing happens to it. But most monuments that I've seen are actually closed off or protected, or they've been removed and put in shelters to preserve the history. I don't think I've seen so many small Ukrainian flags all bundled together. But these are just some of the thousands of people that have lost their lives during this war. It's pretty large. I'm just going to film a little piece of it though, because it is very large. All the candles that people have lit for them. It's a way to honor the dead. It just goes on and on and on. This is the reality of things. This is from another region. Now, unfortunately, this is the only place that. Oh my God, I was losing my train of thought here. Unfortunately, there are still people trying to use this to sell stuff, to scam. So I just say no politely and keep walking away. Don't try to buy anything. That guy's just trying to scam you. He's not really doing anything to help. Now I can only read half of it because I don't really speak Ukrainian, but it's very simple. Let me break that. It is using almost the same letters as the Russian ones, so I do understand only a portion of it, not all of it. I'm gonna go here to the center. I think it's really important to show all this stuff. I know it's gonna be a while until I post any of these things because I'm currently traveling and I don't want any surprises from any particular government because I'm posting things like these, or because I'm showing this, and I'm not trying to get on any side. I'm just a world traveler, so I'm not going to get into the politics of it. You're going to find memorials everywhere for all the victims. of the war. And the famous clock. You're gonna find a lot of these all over the city. They're to basically deter or stop tanks and vehicles. Now these are right now just being double purposed in a way, because they only have a portion of this area opened up because there's a government building here. But if it wasn't because of that, they'll be probably just in the middle of the road to prevent any further movement from the enemy. That's one thing you're going to see everywhere. Generators. You keep at least some businesses still going. Everywhere you will see generators, in all shapes and all sizes as well. Seems to be like a normal, everyday life, but in the back of people's mind, they know the country's at war. But people just go on through their day, hoping that nothing happens. This is just like an ordinary day, an ordinary life in Kyiv, but looks can be deceiving. It's sad to see that these monuments are technically being protected, but until when? To the point that now grass and leaves and are growing all around it, and then the maintenance that you're gonna have to do after you take everything down. Well, here I am. These are some of the results, and some of the vehicles, including military, have been destroyed. Now they the word freedom, I guess in English, is more of a universal language. Look at that. All these vehicles have been destroyed, I guess from both sides. These are real tankers. Unfortunately, there's some fake people asking for donations. Everywhere you look, there are memorials to honor the dead. They all fought for their own country. And they died for it. They paid with it with their lives. I'm not going to walk the whole wall because this is everywhere, especially right now here in Kyiv. You're going to see this all over Ukraine.
Nestled in the heart of Kyiv, Ukraine, St. Michael's Golden Dome Monastery stands as a radiant symbol of faith, resilience, and Ukrainian identity. Originally, it was built in the 12th century by Prince Sviatopolk II. The monastery was dedicated to the Archangel Michael, Kyiv's celestial protector. Its golden domes quickly became a beacon across the city's skyline, blending Byzantine and Ukrainian Baroque architecture in stunning harmony. For centuries, St. Michael's was a spiritual center and a place of refuge. But in the 1930s, during Stalin's anti-religion campaign, the original cathedral was tragically destroyed by the Soviet authorities. Priceless mosaics and frescoes were removed, some saved, many lost. Yet history would not forget St. Michael's. After Ukraine gained independence in 1991, a remarkable effort began to reconstruct the monastery. By 2000, it was fully restored, rebuilt in the image of its former glory, its brilliant golden domes once again shimmering above Kyiv. Today, St. Michael's Golden Dome Monastery is more than a religious site. It's a symbol of national revival. During the 2014 Revolution of Dignity, it offered sanctuary to protesters, and in recent years, it has served as a backdrop for global calls for peace, freedom, and unity. As bells ring out from its towers, St. Michael's continues to inspire, a timeless guardian watching over a resilient people.
If you like videos like these, don't forget to like and subscribe here only on The Richter Show. See you on the next Capital City Review.
Shout out to the host, to the Richter. This the Richter Show, the Richter.